Hey guys, how's it going? Pixldel here. Welcome back to another video. Today, this came in the mail, that I ordered. It's my brand new gaming laptop. I decided to get a laptop instead of a PC because I thought the laptop would be like easier to carry around and everything. This is better than my PC, so that's good at least. I can finally record better quality videos and, yeah, streaming as well is gonna be a lot better. I'm gonna remove this, but yeah, I actually have no idea. I literally just got it and started recording. This is really cool. So yeah, this is also really big. I didn't think it'd be this big, but whatever. Let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna get my stand here really quick. Okay, so here I got my stand right here. I hope the microphone doesn't sound too weird, but yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. This is so cool. I'm gonna open it right there, and this should come out. Oh, wait. Bro, I'm so bad at unboxing. Jeez. Okay, there we go. All right, I got it open. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so it comes with a manual. It's a Acer Nitro 5. Oh, there's stickers as well. Look at that. That's pretty cool. What else we got? Okay, let's get this side here. Oh, yes, we have a little piece. HDT upgrade cable. Oh, I think this is if I want to expand the storage. Here's the power cable, I'm pretty sure. Here's the other power. This is really big. Holy, look at this. This is the other power cable. This goes into the laptop, and this goes into the outlet. What else we have? We have another manual. There's like 50 manuals. Okay, this just teaches you what it looks like. This is really cool. This is really cool. There are some screws here. I have no idea what they're for the HDD as well, which is for the gigabyte upgrade. Oh, okay. Well, okay. So let's open this. It's not that big. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, but this is good. At least it's not like extremely huge. So that's good. And here we go. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at it. Oh, this is so cool. Look at how crazy this is. Oh my, look at this. It's huge. Look at that. Yo, it's a Ryzen 7 4000 series. It has a GeForce GTX 1650 in it. I think it has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 612 gigabytes of storage, which is really nice. I can also upgrade it. Planning in the future, maybe if I really need, I'm gonna upgrade the RAM to 16. You can do that, so that's nice. Look at how crazy this keyboard looks as well. This is so cool. Wait, can I do a sound test? Okay, wait, okay, there we go. I'm gonna point that towards my... Look at how sick this is. So I'm gonna get this started up, and then I'll come back with you guys and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so here we are. I finished setting up the laptop. I've already installed like a lot of the apps in it. As you can see there, I have like a lot of things installed in it already, which is really cool. I'm super excited because this is going to allow me to record and stream, like I said, at a better bit rate, better frame FPS. So that would be really cool. So expect higher quality videos in the future. So that's going to be really cool. My current setup, I'll just do a little quick setup showcase, I guess. So I have my main monitor right here. It's still the same one I used to use before. All I did was I connected it to my laptop right here through an HDMI cable. I removed my second monitor because I don't really need it anymore because I already have my laptop monitor. I don't really need 3 monitors. I feel like it's unnecessary. Down here, as you can see, I have don't mind that. That's my pencil, and that's just a light that I have. But yeah, I have here my microphone, the Razer Siren X. I have here the, I have here the Razer Black Widow Chroma V2 yellow switch. It's a really long name. And there, the Night Sword RGB. Nothing changed on this part of the setup. The main part that changed was up here. Before, up here, I used to have there, like right here in the corner, my PC, like the tower. And in here, I used to have my second monitor where my laptop is, and my main monitor. But yeah, nothing changed. Here's my headset as well. It's the Razer Kraken X. Really good headset as well. And it's cheap as well. Down there, I have a stand for my phone. And I think I have a cable, and if I get it correctly. I also have a controller down there, Xbox Pro. I used to play some games, so that's nice. But yeah, that's my laptop. The specs are gonna be down in the description if you care. I don't think you care, but yeah, I'm just installing some games right now on it, so that's what that's doing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is gonna be a really quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that I got the setup. I will do more unboxing videos in the future. I want to unbox a Glorious Model O if I ever buy one, which I'm really want to buy one. But I'm gonna wait. My mouse still works fine as of right now, so once that mouse starts to break, or then I get a Glorious Model O and unbox it for you guys. But as of right now, I don't really need that. So, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this unboxing video, make sure to like and subscribe. It's free, and you can unsubscribe if you change your mind. And yeah, that's it for the video, and I'll see you guys next time.